Creating an entry point for your Python package allows users to run your package as a command line application. This is done through the setuptools library, which is commonly used for packaging Python projects. Below, I'll walk you through the process of adding an entry point to your Python package with a code example. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Structure your package first. Ensure your package is structured correctly. Below is a basic directory structure for a Python package. This function will be called when the user runs your package from the command line. Here's how you can define an entry point. Python setup.py from setuptools. Import setup. Find packages. Setup name me package. Version 0.10. Packages. Find packages. Entry points. Console scripts me command my package main. Command name and the function it calls. Install requires add any dependencies your package needs. Explanation of the setup.py fields. Name the name of your package. The console scripts key indicates that you are creating a command line script. The format is command name, module name, function name. Now, name function name. Step 4. Install your package. To test your package, you need to install it. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory containing your setup.py file. Run the following command: bash pip install. This command installs your package in editable mode, allowing you to make changes without reinstalling. Step 5. Run your command after installation. You can run your command from the terminal. Bash me command. This should output hello, welcome to me package. Conclusion: you have now successfully created a Python package with an entry point that can be executed from the command line. This setup allows users to easily interact with your package without needing to write Python code. Additional tips: you can add arguments to your main function to handle user input. You can use the rparse module for more complex command line interfaces. Always test your package after making changes to ensure that everything works as intended. Consider adding a README to provide users with information about your package and its usage. By following these steps, you can create an accessible command line interface for your Python package, enhancing its usability and reach.